So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Polygon, ticker symbol MATIC or MATIC here in Canada on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your crypto account. And once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom bar here and press on the magnifying glass. Once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then once you're on this screen, scroll all the way down to where it says Polygon or ticker symbol MATIC, MATIC. Press on Polygon right here. Now to buy some shares of Polygon, simply just press on buy at the bottom left right here. Where it says market buy, you can select however much money you choose to. So I'll just press $3 for this example. I will then press on continue. And now to confirm this order, you would just press confirm order in the bottom. And that is pretty much how to purchase a Polygon or MATIC, ticker symbol MATIC in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.